Hey kids, we are so excited you are joining us for this adventure.
We will be going on an adventure,
Exploring so many amazing treasures of our faith. Okay, let's get started.
And if you don't know, I'm Luke, and this is my brother, Jerome.
Yes, I'm Jerome, and today we are learning about the Savior, the Redeemer, the light of the world, the King of Kings, the one and only Jesus himself.
And the Messiah, and the Good Shepherd, the bread of life.
Okay, yes, Jesus has a lot of titles, but our whole entire faith is based upon the fact that Jesus died and rose again from the dead for us and you guys.
Oh, and by the way, our virtue is trust.
Trust, that's the one. Okay, let's get packed up and ready to go.
Let's go.
Grab your stuff. Oh, nice bag.
Thanks.
But first, do you trust me?
Yeah.
Like, do you really trust me?
Yeah.
You do? Okay, sweet. Okay, so I'm going to blindfold you.
No.
Yes. Okay, so turn around.
Oh boy.
Oh boy is right. Oh brother.
Oh, it's dark in here.
Yeah, it sure is.
That's really dark in here.
Is it comfy? Because it's like a special one.
Ooh, my hat.
Okay, go straight. Okay.
I need to make sure what I'm doing here. So I need to trust you blindfolded.
Yes.
And go on an adventure to find things that remind us of Jesus and help us draw closer to him.
Yes.
Oh
Okay, I'm leading him around and we're going to try and find a crucifix. Hey guys, so we were walking and we're by this super cool place. There's this awesome fence and the grass. It reminded us of the Good Shepherd and sheep in a pasture. And Jesus is known as the Good Shepherd. In the Gospel of John, Jesus tells a parable of where we are the sheep and Jesus is the shepherd. It reminds us that Jesus will always love and protect us. Nick, how about you go over there and inside and pretend to be a sheep just like in the Gospel?
No, I'm not doing that.
Yeah, just come on, please. It'll be really funny.
Why don't you do it?
No, because you got nice blonde hair and fluffiness like the sheep.
Fine, what do I have to do?
Okay, just go and eat grass or just be like a sheep. Do your best. Sheep don't have bags like this. I'm gonna be the shepherd and protect him. Okay, here we go. Okay, Luke was a pretty good sheep, I think.
Oh, thanks.
Good job, Luke.
You're a good shepherd.
Oh, yeah. Jesus is our shepherd, and it's so important we trust him. We have to trust that he will love us and that he wants what's best for us.
Like when I was blindfolded and I had to trust in Jerome to lead me on the path and not to hit anything. Like Jesus, we have to trust in him to lead us on the path of our life. And he is the one person that will never leave us astray.
Yeah, and he won't ever let us down or drop us. Right, Luke?
Yeah. Hey, I did my best.
Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah, let's show this clip.
Trust fall.
Okay, right now.
Yeah, go.
You better catch me because I trust you.
Okay, ready?
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Ouch! Oh. My body still hurts from that, but that's okay.
I didn't mean to.
Well, yeah, I know, obviously not. Nobody's perfect, though.
Well, except for Jesus. Jesus is perfect.
Jesus is perfect. And we can always put our trust in Jesus. There's so many people in the Bible and throughout history that have trusted in God and put their trust in Him, especially the saints, too.
Hey, do you want to know a random fact?
That was random. That was really random, but yeah, sure.
Yeah, you want to. Jesus, actually, the word Jesus means God saves.
I didn't actually know that. That's pretty good. Yeah. I like that. Can always trust Luke to have a random fact of the day. But that is it for today, I think, right?
No, there's still a vital verse, which is.
Okay. Oops. It's John chapter 14, verse 6. I put a bookmark in our awesome big Bible. There we go.
Okay, here it is. I am the way, the truth, and the life.
Yeah, that works perfect for our Jesus and adventure theme, because when I had you blindfolded, I was showing you the way and the right path to take so you didn't run into a tree or something and get hurt. And that's exactly what Jesus does for us. He shows us the correct path to take in all of our lives. He shows us the way. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. But I think that's it. We had an amazing adventure today with a ton of great times. And we hope you will come back for our next adventure, where we will be exploring more treasures of our Catholic faith. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you next time.